Today I'll be doing my video alone because Nuss is at work. Put a poll up earlier to see what everyone thought we should be cooking, and butter chicken was the favourite. So I thought I'd get started on the naan bread. Okay, it says grease a large bowl with olive oil and set aside, which I have done. 240 grams of full cream milk. 1.5 teaspoons of dried instant yeast. Throw that in. Next, and it goes for 2 minutes. It's heating up the milk. Tablespoons of olive oil. 2 teaspoons sea salt. Baker's flour. Should take the lid off for this. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Just done. 120 grams. So we will just weigh this up. Next. So it goes for 20 seconds at speed 3. Okay, transfer dough onto a silicone bread mat or floured work surface and shape into a ball. Okay, we can do that. Set aside in a warm place to prove until doubled in size, approximately 1 to 2 hours. Okay, cool. So it's kneaded the dough, and you'll have a look at what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Proof for 1 to 2 hours with a clean tea towel over it. Okay. I'll be back with the curry. Start cooking. 500 grams of chicken breast and 100 grams of tikka paste. I've still got work to do, but this is how easy the Thermo mix is. I can do it in between doing my other stuff. Okay, my ghee's solidified because it's cold in Melbourne. Okay, just a bit more. Okay, next, insert measuring cup and lid. And this will all go into the bowl. Just put the rest of that in. Next, 20 grams of ginger. Okay, pop that in. The ginger's going in. Next, okay, 10 grams of fresh coriander. Nuss and I don't like coriander, so I'm leaving this out and I'm just going to skip it. Okay, 3 cloves of garlic. Okay. Next, chilies. Okay, I've got red chili and green chili because we quite like it spicy and hot. So that's going in. And in 10 seconds, that's what's happened. Okay. So I'll just scrape that down. I love this colour. 1/2 teaspoon going in. Insert measuring cup. Okay, it's going back in. Next. Just make sure that I get all of it. For 20 minutes. And that's it.
Oh, you will. Beautiful, Bob. Wow.
You like?
I love. Thank you. This is my third one.